In this video, we are talking about resistance zone. Less theory, more practical, live examples to improve your trading skills.
Resistance is a significant concept related to technical analysis. Resistance refers to a price level at which a currency pair has historically had difficulty moving above. It acts as a barrier or ceiling that prevents the price from rising further. Understanding resistance is crucial for traders as it helps them identify potential levels where the price might face selling pressure and reverse its upward movement.
Identification of resistance. Traders identify resistance by analyzing historical price data and looking for areas where the price has struggled to go higher in the past. Common tools for identifying resistance include horizontal lines, trend lines, and technical indicators.
Confirmation of resistance. Resistance is confirmed when the price approaches a certain level and experiences a slowdown or reversal. Traders often use candlestick patterns, chart patterns, or technical indicators to confirm the presence of resistance.
Shooting star, or hanging man, or bearish engulfing, or head and shoulder pattern are being built up to confirm the resistance zone.
Let's go on live charts. Gold, November 10th, 2023. We see third resistance zone in daily time frame. Let's explore an H4 time frame to confirm the resistance. In H4 time frame, we saw a clear head and shoulder pattern, as we discuss in resistance patterns, which was appeared in resistance zone. Keep practice and watch carefully to resistance zones. You will become a pro trader. If you want to learn more about Forex trading and improve your trading skills, subscribe to like and wait for next video.